Everyone, welcome back to a new video, and thank you so much for always coming back. In today's video is all about cleaning. I'll be cleaning my fridge, my duvet, my vegetable rack, this one that I am offloading things. Here I'm just removing some onions and everything that is on the vegetable rack. Then I'll be taking it to the bathroom to clean it there. That is where it is easier to be cleaned. I'll also be cooking some chicken, so stay tuned and watch till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video to everyone. So here I am taking them to the bathroom. I like washing them to the bathroom because it is a wider space and it is free area that you can just pour water on the floor and it will flow down, and like washing them to the sink. So here I'll just be washing all the fridge compartments and the vegetable rack and also my water bottle because I needed to refill it. So here, that is what I'll be doing. So after I was done with my fridge, it was now time to wash my duvet, which I had soaked for 2 days. I have done this video on how you can easily wash your duvet without a washing machine. Kindly go back and watch it. I will be linking it in the video in the comment section. So this here, I'm just washing my duvet. I frequently wash my duvet because it is white and it doesn't have a duvet cover. Since this duvet is not one of the 4x6 or 5x6, it is just a very long duvet. It is just a mtumba duvet that doesn't have definite measurement, so that's why it doesn't have a cover unless I measure myself and go and tell a fundi. I look for material and tell a fundi to make it for me, something that I have not yet done it. So I'll just start by washing around the duvet by my hand, just scrubbing, not so hard because I had already soaked it and it is at least cleaner. So I'll just be scrubbing along the dirt that did not come out, around the duvet, all around the duvet, because that is where it usually gets dirty. Then I will rinse it and step on it using laundry basket, which is the thing that makes this work easier. I will link my video on how to fully wash your duvet easier without a washing machine. After my rack had dried up, it was time to put back the vegetables and all the things that I usually put on the rack. And before I put them back, I usually wipe the dust away because this place collects a lot of dust, and these butternuts had collected a lot of dust, so I had to wipe them. Apart from the potatoes, I wiped the butternut, the onions, and any other thing that needed to be wiped. And on this day, I decided to get back at working out because I had started feeling funny on my waist and love handles, and because I had taken so long without working out, I knew fat is building up there. I had taken almost 2 years without working out, so I had to get back to work out, and it was really hard. These are things that I used to do them very easily way back, very easy. Now it was so hard to even just touch my own toe, my own feet. But step by step, I will get back slowly. I really struggled on this day, and the next day I started feeling, the day after the next day, yes, I started feeling the pain on the waist, on my stomach. It was really painful. Yeah, so at least I'm slowly getting back to working out because I don't want to build fat on my waist and my love handles because I had started feeling funny there. So these are just the struggles I was going through. After working out for 1 hour, at least 1 hour, it was now time to arrange back the fridge, and here I'm just putting the compartments back, then arranging everything to where it belonged. So this is just another day, and this day I was trying to make some chicken. Here I'm just removing them from the paper bag. It was cut where I bought it, so I'll just go ahead and start washing it first before starting to marinate. And I'll be using some mixed spices, garam masala, paprika and curry powder and salt to taste to marinate my chicken. I also use tomato paste to marinate my chicken. Then I'll put it in the fridge for 1 hour. After that I will be frying it, and I made it with some chapati, and I made it as a stew. I first fried it. We ate some as fried and also made some for stew. We ate with chapati and some rice. So after I put all the ingredients, it was now time to mix very well, and here I'm just mixing very well to every part of the chicken. I also did cut the thighs a little bit so that the ingredients will enter inside, and also when I'm frying it will cook inside. That is for the thigh. So here, after I mixed very well, I went ahead and covered it with a cling film, then put it in the fridge to marinate for 1 hour. After that I did fry it, and I did not film how I made soup out of it. I just filmed how I fried it. And yes, I fried all of them, then some we ate as fried, and some I made soup out of it. So thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. Kindly remember to subscribe to my channel, share out my videos, and also like this video so that it can reach a lot of people. So here I was just frying them, and then I later made soup with some. So kindly subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next one.